Hello children, how are you? Welcome to English class. Today we are going to study the question and answers of supplementary lesson 3. So now we are in unit 3 and today we already learnt in the live class lesson 3 shepherd treasure. Now we will be discussing the same lessons, questions and answers. So listen carefully. After completing this explanation, you can write these questions and answers in your notebook. So children, let us go for that. Children, now you can see our unit 3 supplementary reader lesson, Shepherd's Treasure, question and answers. So first question, the shepherd had not been to school because of dash. Okay, the shepherd was not attending the school because dash. So there are different options. He was very poor. There were very few schools in those days. He was not interested in studies. So choose the right answer. So children, can you tell which is the right answer here? Very good. There were very few schools in those days. In those ancient days, there were only few schools and we have to go far away to the schools. It is not possible everyone to go to the school in that time. Okay, the shepherd did not attend the school because of that. Children, moving to the next question. Who visited the shepherd one day and why? Who visited the shepherd one day? The king of the Iran had come to visit the wise shepherd one day when he heard about his wisdom and friendly nature. Who visited the shepherd one day? Answer, king of Iran visited the shepherd one day. Why he came? He heard about his wisdom and friendly nature. Why he came? The king, how he came? He disguised himself as a shepherd and riding in a mule, he came to visit humble shepherd. He was not wearing the dress of king. He was just changing that dress. He was wearing ordinary dress of shepherd and going to the shepherd. And he was riding on the mule, that is a kind of animal. Okay. So like this he came to visit humble shepherd. Moving to next question 3. Why did the other governors grow jealous of the shepherd? Other governors grow jealous. Jealous means asuya. The other governors grow jealous of the new shepherd. Okay, why? Answer, king was pleased at the wise shepherd's warm reception and appointed him as the governor of the small district. Okay, king was very happy of the shepherd's reception and appointed him as a governor of a small district. When the king came to meet the shepherd was receiving king and giving every necessary things for the guest. So he was very happy. Okay, king was very pleased. Pleased means happy of the reception of the shepherd, and he is very happy. And he is appointing him as a governor of a small district. Okay, now king appointed shepherd as a governor of a small district. People loved him and honored him for his wisdom. So many people are respecting him, loving him, honoring him for his wisdom. He is very wise man, clever man. Okay, so he will be solving the problems of people. Wisdom, sympathy and goodness is there. His fame spread far and wide throughout the country. His name his fame spread throughout the country. His name spread throughout the country. There is a governor, there is a shepherd in the village. He is very famous for solving the problem. Like this, news spread throughout the country. So the governors of other provinces, there are some other governors in other areas of the country. They grow terribly jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. Other governors very jealous of this new governor. Why? All the people are respecting this new governor, and this new governor is not educated person. This new governor is ordinary person. So all are respecting and going to this new governor, and this new governor is a poor person, became suddenly famous, but nobody is listening to the other governors. So all other governors became jealous on new governor and began to talk to the king against him. Okay, other governors started to talk against this new governor to the king. They are giving complaints against the new governor. Okay, other governors giving complaint against the new governor to the king. So like this, other governors grow jealous of the shepherd of these different reasons. Next, we have fourth question. Why was the new governor called to the palace? Why was the new governor called to the palace? King called the new governor to the palace. Why? Answer. The governors of other provinces were extremely jealous of the newly appointed governor, who was renowned for his wisdom, sympathy and goodness. Okay, other governors were very jealous of the new governor because he was very famous for these different qualities, for his wisdom, sympathy and goodness. They poisoned the king's ears against the humble governor and reported that he was dishonest. Other governors just giving false complaint against him, poisoned king's ear, that means giving wrong complaints against that man. Okay, telling that this man is not honest. They complained that he kept for himself part of the money in an iron chest that he collected as tax from the people. So he was collecting taxes like other governors, and people complain against him that he was just collecting the tax and keeping himself, not giving to other, not giving to the palace. Like that, the people are giving complaints. Okay, yeah. Hearing all these, finally the king called the new governor to the palace and ordered him to explain why he always carried an iron chest along. So by hearing all these complaints, king called this new governor to the palace and asking, why you are carrying this new box, iron box with always iron chest. Okay, it is a bag of iron. Why you are carrying that with always with you? People are complain against you. People are telling that there is a lot of money in that. Okay, in order to ask that, king called the new governor to the palace. I hope you understood it. Next question, number 5. Why was everyone delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back? All are delighted, all are happy to see the iron chest on the camel's back. Why? Answer. Everyone in the palace were delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back when the new governor arrived, because they thought that the iron chest contained gold, silver and jewels in it. So, okay, when this new governor came to the palace, all happy, all are delighted. Why? They think that this iron chest, this iron bag is full of jewels, silver and gold and money. Okay, they knew if the king found the treasure inside the chest, then he would dismiss the new governor of his duties and punish him for his bad deeds. So if the king found anything, jewels or gold inside his bag, he will be dismissed, he will be removed as the governor, okay, he will be giving punishment, okay. So that is why all people assembled in the palace delighted to see this new governor having iron chest in camel's back. Moving to next question 6. What did the iron chest contain? What is the content of this iron chest? Okay, that bag of iron, what is there inside that? Answer: the iron chest contained an old blanket only inside. Only an old blanket inside. There is no other things, only an old blanket is there inside the iron chest, inside that bag. Okay, nothing else, only old blanket. Second question: why did the shepherd always carry it? Why this shepherd is carrying always that bag, that having only the old blanket? Why he was carrying always? Answer: shepherd always carried an old blanket in an iron chest because it was his oldest friend. He said that it will still protect him if any day the king takes away his position and power. He said that he will be carrying this blanket every day because I was using this blanket for many years. When I was using this many years before, it protecting me, now also I am using, and afterwards also I will use. If the king take away my power, if the king take away my governorship, then also this blanket will be protecting me. So that is why I am carrying this blanket always. Third question: is it an example of shepherd's humility or wisdom or both? Answer: yes, it is an ideal example of shepherd's humility, wisdom and goodness. We can see in the story that he is having so many qualities like humility, wisdom and goodness. Okay, so he was working for the people, he was using the cleverness or wisdom to solve the issues of the people, he was just doing good to the people, and he was working for the people, having all the qualities. Next question, number 7. How did the king reward the new governor? How did the king reward the new governor? Okay, so how the king was giving a reward? Reward means an award to the new governor. Okay, king realized that this this new governor is very humble person, simple person. Okay, and he is giving a reward, an award. Okay, how he was giving that reward? Answer: the king was extremely pleased with the new governor's humility, wisdom and honesty. So by checking means the king realized that this new governor is very honest person, very good person. King realized that. He immediately rewarded his wise man and promoted him to the position of a governor of a bigger district the same day. Okay, so he immediately rewarded this wise man and giving him promotion to a big district governor. He was appointed as a governor of a big district. Before he was appointed as a governor of a small district, and he got a promotion and appointed as a governor of a big district, and now our governor, our shepherd governor, became very powerful person in the country. Okay, so king gave him a reward, a promotion. So children, that's all about the answers. It is a very interesting story. You have to read this story many times. You have to listen this question and answers. You have to understand the story in your own mind. Okay, then after understanding this question and answers, you can start writing these answers in your own words in your notebook. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day. Complete this notebook. All these PDF answers are available in a Google Classroom. Okay, in a Google Classroom English, go to classwork section. There we can see Unit 3 notes. Just you can see and write in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.